Financial freedom is a goal shared by millions of people around the world because it represents the ability to make decisions without constant money stress controlling every aspect of life. It means having the freedom to choose opportunities, manage unexpected situations, and focus on long-term goals without living paycheck to paycheck. However, financial freedom is rarely the result of luck, inheritance, or a single breakthrough moment. In reality, it is built through a process of consistent decisions repeated over many years, creating a foundation that gradually transforms financial stability into genuine independence. The first steps of that journey begin with controlling cash flow and creating financial protection before pursuing wealth. Spending less than you earn creates the positive cash flow required for every future financial goal, because without money left over, progress becomes almost impossible. Once that foundation exists, building an emergency fund becomes critical because unexpected expenses such as medical bills, repairs, or job loss can destroy years of progress if no financial cushion exists. Together, these first two steps create stability, confidence, and the ability to move forward without constantly worrying about financial emergencies. The next stage involves removing obstacles that prevent wealth from growing efficiently over time. High-interest debt, particularly credit cards and expensive loans, consumes future income and redirects money away from building assets. Eliminating these liabilities creates breathing room, allowing more resources to be directed toward long-term financial growth. Once debt becomes manageable, consistent investing can begin. Transforming savings into productive assets through stocks, ETFs, businesses, real estate, and other investments that benefit from the power of compounding over many years. Investing alone is powerful, but increasing income accelerates the entire process significantly because there is a natural limit to how much spending can be reduced. New skills, career advancement, side businesses, entrepreneurship, and professional development all create opportunities to increase earning potential over time. As income grows, the gap between earnings and expenses can widen further, creating more capital for investing and asset building. This combination of higher income and disciplined investing often becomes one of the strongest drivers of long-term financial freedom. Another critical step is building multiple income streams, because relying on a single source of income creates vulnerability and financial risk. Investments, business ownership, passive income systems, royalties, digital products, and additional professional skills all contribute to diversification and resilience. If one source weakens or disappears, others continue providing support, reducing financial pressure during uncertain periods. Multiple streams create flexibility, strengthen financial security, and allow wealth to continue growing even when economic conditions become challenging. The final and most important factor is discipline, because knowledge alone does not create financial freedom. Most people already understand the basic principles, but consistency is what separates those who achieve freedom from those who remain financially stressed. Financial freedom is built through years of smart decisions, patience, and persistence, rather than weeks or months of effort. The people who eventually succeed are not always the highest earners, but often the most consistent, because every positive financial decision compounds over time, turning savings into investments, investments into assets, assets into income, and income into the freedom to live life on their own terms. If you want more insights into wealth-building systems, investing strategies, and financial success habits, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts below.